Yo, what's up YouTube? So today we're up at Tug Hill again. Today I'm actually gonna be testing out my new camera mount. I got it right to my chin now, so hopefully I can get better content with that. My mic unfortunately has not come in yet, so I won't be able to do that kind of audio. But if you guys enjoy today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, let me know how I'm doing. And we're gonna get to ride today with my dad and my friend, so, and run the 850. We'll see how it goes today. right, guys, so we made it to lunch. We've already got like, I don't know, what, 60 miles on? It's only 11:30. We probably got 60 to 70 miles on. Trails have been mint all day, guys. I mean, they're super flat. Problem is I'm not gonna have a ton of footage today. Unfortunately, where I had my GoPro mounted came undone, which is right here, came undone. So I forgot to bring my other strap to GoPro, but we actually are up at Tugger's right now. So there's sleds everywhere. It's not as busy as I thought it was gonna be, but it is pretty busy out here, guys. Hopefully I can get the GoPro fixed, and I'm hoping that my mic finally comes in, and then I'll be able to do vlog style, which I think is a little more entertaining, more first person impressions right away. So I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, so we were about to go in to eat, and my dad decided to check his clutch side because he thought he had some problems, and look at what we just found. Look at that, the bolt just laying on the ground, and it looks like we're missing a piece. The clutch is gonna come off, so yeah, this is not good. This might damper our day a little bit. I don't know what we're gonna do. Hopefully we can find a part or something, hopefully be able to put it back together. Otherwise we might have to tow it home. I don't know, we'll see. This is not good. I don't want to tow it, but I'll get back to you guys when we figure it out, if we were able to fix it or not. All right, guys, so luckily we found the part. It was jammed all the way up in there on the secondary. We got the bolt. Hopefully we can put it back together and it all works, so we can get back to the trails. I would assume, I don't know, it just stays right like that. And just... You got your wrenches?
I don't know if I have a size for that, but...
Well, it's probably a 10mm at least. The dreaded 10mm.
I saw the shotgun on my seat, and I'm like, you know what, this is a good day to bring this shit. Because look what happened.
Yeah, it would be a good day to bring it.
Yeah, I was like, this is bigger.
No, this one maybe, the bigger one. Let me see.
I also got these.
No, it's got to be bigger. Oh, what's that one? I mean, that's your...
The spark plugs, but it should...
Yeah, it fits.
There you go.
Well, guys, we ended up getting it back together all tight and everything. Good thing we checked down there. I guess he didn't even notice there was any problems. He just wanted to check his belt. Good thing he did. TJ Faye to the rescue with his little toolkit. So we didn't have to tow the Arctic Cat back, thank God. And we can continue riding.
Right?
Wrap. All right, guys, so we made it back to Constableville. We did about 140 miles today. It was awesome. Trails were really good today for the first like 3/4 of the day. Obviously, that's gonna happen being high, high volume traffic up here. So today, my GoPro, actually the mount fell off my helmet after the first 50 minutes. So unfortunately, I got the footage I could get. But I wasn't able to do anything else. But I just want you guys to, if you could help me. So today at Flat Rock, I was about to park and I saw someone fall off their sled, and the dad went down there, and it was actually a little kid, and he got dragged into the track So me and my friend, we flew down there quick, and his leg was all in there, so it didn't look broken. We were able to get it out after about 5 minutes. So if you guys could pray for him and hope that he didn't break his leg. We splinted it. We left before the EMS got there, but so hopefully he's good. I mean, he was a little shooken up from it, so. But otherwise, if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also comment. Let me know how I'm doing, and I will see you guys in the next one.